What's up everyone, welcome back to our lawn, and today is both a year in review and a discussion of what is to come next year. So right now I am walking towards what has to this point affectionately been known as the Overgrowth. This one we moved in, you can see it's all gravel. It was the previous homeowner's place where he kept all the cars that he worked on. He was an auto mechanic, he ran his business out of the garage. And so mid-summer 2019, I never was able to get back in here. Even here, this was all overgrown, gross, awful. Now it's where we've cleaned it out, it's where the pool goes. Got this graded with some of the dirt. I had the video looking with the excavator trying to get some of the rocks out of here. That didn't go as planned, but what we did is back down here. So let's walk and let's talk. And so back here we are. This right along the line is where forest used to exist. Everything used to look just like that, except all of that used to come out to here. And actually all of that used to be right there, and all of that also used to be on the far side of the green. But so we brought in my neighbor, thank you very much, helped me cut down all these trees. Last winter into this spring we burned them down, and then this fall I brought that mini excavator in here. We got it all root raked, got all the stumps dug out, and this is all now free and ready. So what does this mean for you, the viewer? Well, what's going to happen back here is this is all going to expand the fairway and practice area. And so what this has been is the existing bent grass that was here, that once we allowed it sight of some sun, started to grow up, and I've just managed this existing whatever bent grass it is. What we're going to do going forward is I believe I've landed on 007 as a higher end cultivar of bent grass, and that's going to be the foundation for my putting green, for my fairway seating, for potential second green that's going to go up here, shipping area, all of it. We're going to move to 007, which is just a newer, one of many newer elite cultivars of bent grass. And so I am basically spending this winter teaching myself via Google University, as well as utilizing some reference people smarter than myself to teach myself how to become a backyard golf course superintendent. So basically this year I've been trying to do the management of the putting green and the fairway and all of everything just as a homeowner would, without making it a huge time commitment, without making it a huge investment in anything. And I've been pleased with the success that I've had, but I haven't had the success that I want. So next year we are all in, overseeding the existing putting green, overseeding the fairway, seeding the new expansion of the fairway, getting all of this as nice as I can with a much more dedicated program built from people who actually know what they're doing, instead of me just managing it exactly the same as I've managed the rest of my yard. So that's something to be excited about. I am beyond pleased at how much of this property we've reclaimed from buckthorn and junk and just like literal trash. There was just piles of stuff everywhere back in there. Cable, pipe, PVC, railroad ties, just junk everywhere. So it's all been reclaimed. It's all gone, ready to go. And we are expanding the backyard golf course here. And I am so excited to bring you along for that journey. Hopefully some of you that have started as hobbyists as myself, I can help you expand your knowledge, get a little bit more serious about your management of your backyard putting green. We can all learn together. I'll tell you all the things that I've done wrong, all the things that I'm going to learn from, improve on, and you can follow along with all of that. So again, those of you watching these videos here at the end of November, obviously this isn't the season anymore. Truly, people who are following along to all of my content, I sincerely appreciate you. So with that, we are really kind of entering into the winter here. Not going to be a whole lot in the way of lawn care content. I'll bring you along with whatever projects I have, because realistically the purpose of this channel is to track my progress on everything we do here in this house. So I'll continue to bring along with that journey. Looking forward to next year, looking forward to all that we're going to be able to do back here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.